Ever wished you could seamlessly bridge the gap between the privacy-focused Beam blockchain and the popular MetaMask wallet? You're not alone. Many crypto enthusiasts wonder if it's possible to add their Beam wallet to MetaMask. In this video, we'll dive deep into this question, exploring the intricacies of both platforms and whether such integration is feasible. MetaMask, with its user-friendly interface and extensive support for various Ethereum-based tokens, has become a cornerstone for many in the crypto world. On the other hand, Beam, a privacy-centric cryptocurrency, offers enhanced anonymity through its confidential transactions. Naturally, the desire arises to combine the convenience of MetaMask with the privacy features of Beam. But is this a straightforward process? Can you truly add your Beam wallet to MetaMask and enjoy the best of both worlds? Let's find out. Understanding the core of this issue requires a bit of technical know-how. MetaMask's core, at its heart, MetaMask is primarily designed for interacting with the Ethereum blockchain and its compatible tokens. It acts as a bridge between your browser and the Ethereum network, allowing you to connect with decentralized applications, dApps, send and receive tokens, and even interact with smart contracts. Beam's unique architecture, Beam, on the other hand, operates on its own independent blockchain with a distinct architecture. It utilizes cryptographic techniques like confidential transactions to shield user data and transaction amounts from public view. This privacy focus necessitates a different approach to wallet management compared to Ethereum-based tokens. Now, the crucial question, can you directly add your Beam wallet to MetaMask? The short answer is no. MetaMask, in its current state, is not designed to support blockchains like Beam. It primarily focuses on the Ethereum ecosystem and its compatible tokens. Beam's unique architecture and privacy features require a dedicated wallet solution specifically designed for its blockchain. While direct integration isn't possible, there are alternative approaches to managing your Beam and interacting with the crypto world. Dedicated Beam wallets utilize the official Beam wallet or other reputable wallets specifically designed for the Beam blockchain. These wallets are optimized for Beam's privacy features and provide a secure and user-friendly experience for managing your Beam coins. Bridge solutions, if available, explore potential bridge solutions or decentralized exchanges, DEXs, that might facilitate interactions between Beam and other blockchains, allowing you to indirectly utilize some features of MetaMask while maintaining the privacy of your Beam transactions. Future developments. Keep an eye on future developments in the crypto space. While direct integration may not be feasible today, advancements in blockchain technology and wallet interoperability could potentially enable such integrations in the future. It's important to dispel any misconceptions. Adding a Beam wallet to MetaMask would require significant modifications to MetaMask's core functionality, which is unlikely to happen in the near future. Furthermore, attempting to force such integration could potentially compromise the security and privacy features of both platforms. While you cannot directly add your Beam wallet to MetaMask, you can still effectively manage and utilize your Beam coins through dedicated Beam wallets and explore alternative solutions for interacting with the broader crypto ecosystem. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.